So how do you discover a profitable niche for your affiliate marketing website? Because if you get your niche wrong, then you're kind of doomed to failure. And the problem is that you'll waste your valuable time, pumping time, money, and resources into a website that's about to flop like a cowgirl trying to line dance to Metallica, okay? So in this video, I'm gonna teach you my step-by-step blueprint to make sure that you find a profitable niche for your affiliate marketing site. And this is incredibly easy to follow. But before we get into the video, please make sure you subscribe and click the bell notifications for more videos like this. So first of all, head on over to a website like Flipper, and this is like a marketplace basically where websites are bought and sold for all the time. So you can kind of reverse successful website ideas. You can see that they're being sold for now and people are paying money for them, and therefore they could be profitable niche ideas you should check out yourself. And you may come up with loads of random niche ideas you never even thought of before. And so it's a really good source of inspiration. It's great to reverse engineer successful websites, and it will just give you tons of ideas that are being sold right now. So it's perfect for that. And the other thing is, well, you don't want to be scouring the web hoping that a magical niche idea pops into your head. Instead, this gives you the data. It tells you how much a website is sold for, how long it was on auction, and therefore you've got the data to back up whether it's a successful business idea or one you should avoid. And then after that, we can go into more ways to research a niche in more detail. Next up, head on over to Google and try and find small niche affiliate marketing websites that are already succeeding on Google, okay? So look for websites that are small, that are focused on affiliate marketing, that are already monetizing their website, and that are already getting a lot of traffic as well. And you can use a tool like Ahrefs, for example, and it will teach you and tell you how much traffic each website is getting. So it gives you a lot of visibility about the overall success of a website and whether it's doing well. Because the problem is that if there are no small niche websites already succeeding in that industry, then it's probably one you want to avoid because maybe it's just swamped by big competitors. You don't want to be a small fish swimming in a fishbowl of sharks. So you have to be really careful about this. And the problem is as well that if there's no small niche websites succeeding already, then it's a huge red flag, maybe one that you should stay away from, and maybe you should look for an alternative niche that's actually got a lot more money in it for smaller websites. Next up, I would look at how can you monetize your website, because sure, you're going to use affiliate marketing, but there's going to be loads of affiliate deals around and you have to find a good one for your site. So I would check out competitors, see how they're monetizing their site, look at affiliate deals, look at conversion rates. Maybe you want to look at ClickBank, Amazon, and other sources of affiliate commission, and just figure out, okay, how can you monetize your site? Are there ways you can diversify your streams of income? And what are the best ways to make more money from your site? Because there's no point going into a niche where the affiliate deals are pretty poor or there's no affiliate deals at all. So you have to be really careful about this and definitely do your research of monetization, even though it might be a few months before you start making money with that site. Next up, you should check out the seasonality of the site, right? So is there search volume all year round, or sometimes there are going to be peaks and troughs, and therefore you're not going to get sales every month of the year? And for example, this can be a big problem if you're in a niche like gardening, for say. Like if you type in a few different search terms around gardening on Google Trends, you'll see that 6 months of the year is really popular and 6 months of the year is doing pretty damn badly. So you have to be really careful about this because you want a predictable, reliable source of traffic that's going to get you sales all year round, rather than having a feast or famine situation where most of the year you don't make any money. And this is something you really have to consider before you hop into the niche, because once you've invested all your time and resources into that website, it's going to be very hard to do a U-turn. So just be careful about that. Look into seasonality before you decide on the niche, and make sure you nail this part of it before you jump into the affiliate marketing side of things. And finally, I would say you should also consider how much you're genuinely interested in the niche, because what makes the difference between an affiliate marketing website that actually makes money and one that doesn't usually comes down to consistency. And if you're just investing into a niche that you don't really care about, it kind of bores you, you have no passion for, then chances are you're going to give up pretty quickly. So that's why I'd recommend finding a niche you're genuinely interested in and kind of get excited by, okay? So I'm not saying like do what you love, but you should find a niche that actually, okay, is kind of interesting. You'd probably read about that, or you'd enjoy writing about that, because that will make a big difference in terms of how much time and money and resources you put into the website. And the thing is as well, if you're writing the content yourself, you definitely need to be interested in the topic, otherwise you're just going to hate your life. So that's why I'd recommend finding a niche you genuinely have an interest in. So that's pretty much it for my step-by-step blueprint on how to find a profitable niche in affiliate marketing. Now, these are all practical steps you can follow. You just have to spend the time researching, and it's 100% worth it because you don't want to waste time here, okay? It can take months before you make a decent profit off a website, so that's why you've got to do it right first time round. And if you have any questions about affiliate marketing or finding the right niche, let me know in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this.